Is it recording? Oh shit. Welcome back everyone. Who's ready for some flying pancakes? This is the first part in the series. Now, to download the files, we have to go to the OGMark website. Write OGMark on Google and click on this link. After you open the website, you will see a lot of planes. We will look for our XF5U right here and click on the yellow box. When you click on the yellow box, you will be prompted with a password. The password is OGMark and the blueprint file will open. You can download the blueprints from here. Now, to download the instructions, we have to go back and click on the picture of the aircraft. You can download the instructions from here, but since you're watching this video, I don't think you want to. I'm here to make that process exciting. This document has 4 pages. Oh my god, that's a big part. Oof. So now let's get started. Let me remove the staple. Mm. Yeah. But get off. Yeah. So for the first part, we will be taking the part number 1. Yeah, obviously, and we are going to cut it up. We can obviously cut it out, but I've got a magic trick up my sleeve. Look at this. Yeah, that's one part done. Something feels wrong. I know. Take a look at this. Look at the print. In the print, you are not able to see any fold lines. Now look at the PDF. What the is that? Why, printer? Why? Why do this? Well, time to go beat the printer again.
One eternity later.
Time for another magic trick. Boom. Yeah, this part's done. Now let's get to the other one. This part is oddly like a crab. Well, magic trick. Boom. Yeah, just like that. Wait. It didn't cut all the way. Damn it. Who's going to remove the teeth? I guess I'll have to do that myself. Yeah, and the exactly same problem. Where are the fold lines, bro? Where are they?
5 minutes later.
Cutting it up is so tiring. Just for that discomfort, I'm going to name you Pablo. After you're done cutting it up, you have to fold Pablo until it looks like it has died like a dead spider. Don't worry, Pablo. We are going to give you a proper funeral. We are going to stick your feet together and make a fine plane out of you. This video is part 1 of the Flying Pancake series, so stay tuned for future releases. I believe there will be only part 2, I guess. So till I give a proper burial to Pablo, go hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Give me feedback in the comments and let me know what you want to see more in the videos. Why is it taking so long to fix Pablo up? Do it faster. Did we just skip a little bit too far? Well, it doesn't matter. Now, we are going to be fixing the part number 1 and 2 together. And for this, I will be using my magic trick again. Fix, damn it. Boom. Yeah, first try. So that's it for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2 as it's going to be dropping very soon. Love you all. Sam signing off.